Before you skip this video, listen closely. If you are a Roblox developer, and your dream game has 0 players, 0 CCU, and 0 Robux, this video is going to change how you think about game development. Because today, I'm going to explain why making a cash grab is not a failure. In fact, it might be the smartest decision you can make as a developer. And if you stick to the end, you'll understand why some developers succeed, while others quit forever. Today, I'll be covering 4 reasons why making a cash grab is actually beneficial. Number 1, money. Number 2, low difficulty. Number 3, virality. And number 4, portfolio value. Let's start with the one everyone pretends they don't care about, money. Money is the main driving force behind most developers. Whether they admit it or not, Robux pays for ads, Robux pays for assets, Robux pays for commissions, and Robux lets you hire a team so you don't burn out doing everything alone. This is exactly why cash grab games exist. They were created to generate money quickly. That's not a secret. And here's the important part. If you have a passion project, you need funding. Most dream games fail not because they're bad, but because the developer runs out of time, motivation, or money. Cash grabs can act as the financial engine behind your long-term goals. They fund your dreams instead of killing them. Now let's talk about low difficulty. This is where most new developers make a fatal mistake. They immediately start building their dream game. Huge map, complex systems, perfect mechanics, months of work, and then they release it. 0 CCU, no players, no feedback, no motivation. This leads to burnout. Burnout leads to frustration, and frustration leads to quitting. This is where developer dreams die. Cash grabs avoid this problem entirely. They're simple. They follow trends. They don't require perfection. Because of that, they take less time to make, and they carry far less risk. If a cash grab fails, you move on. If a passion project fails, it can destroy your confidence. That difference matters. Now let's talk about virality. Virality is everything on Roblox. One viral game can change your entire career. Once a game starts pulling players consistently, people notice. Other developers notice, studios notice, investors notice. You start getting messages. You start getting invites. You start getting opportunities. You also get invited into private developer Discord servers, where experienced developers share real information, not YouTube tutorials. By the way, I run my own developer Discord server, where you can talk with other like-minded devs. The link is below. Virality builds reputation. Reputation builds connections. And connections open doors. Finally, let's talk about portfolio value. This part surprises most people. Cash grabs do count as experience. Let me explain. Imagine developer number 1. We'll call him Little Timmy. Timmy spends over a year working on his dream game. It's his first project. He puts everything into it. He releases it. 0 CCU. Timmy asks himself why nobody cares. Burnout kicks in, anger sets in, and eventually Timmy quits developing forever. Now imagine developer number 2. We'll call him Bart. Bart studies current Roblox trends. He notices games like Escape the Tsunami for brain rot, pulling massive numbers. So Bart makes a meme-based version. Bart understands something important. If done correctly, the risk of failure is low. 1 month later, Bart's game explodes to over 5,000 CCU. Bart is making money, Bart is gaining visits, and Bart now has proof. Proof that he can ship games. Proof that players click. Proof that players stay. The game lives permanently on his portfolio. When Bart finally works on his dream game, he's not discouraged by failure, because he already has momentum. So no, making a cash grab does not make you a bad developer. Quitting does. Cash grabs are tools, and smart developers know how to use them. If you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Join the Discord linked below, and I'll see you in the next video.